Hello, today we would like to introduce how to connect the power cable with the line end and check for the 3 phases. Now let me show you. First, loose the screw here, open the cup. And the second, loose the fixed cable connect. Here is for fix the cable, so we need to loose it first. Now you see the 5-pin cable here. The first one is for ground line. In the bottom one, middle. Fix it. The second is the blue cable for the null line. And the brown one for the 3 phases. You know, sometimes in the shop they also want to use different phase to control the lighting. So they will use all the phase, 1 phase, 2 phase, and 3 phases. So now we also connect the 1 phase and the 2 phase. The black one is for the 2 phase. And the silver one is for the 1 phase. And then fix it. Now we make the cable all is in the middle and use the cable connector to fix the cable to make sure the cable is fixed here. Now we fix the cover here. Put the cover in and fix the screw. Now the power connect is finished. Now we show you how to connect with the jack. Match it and put inside and fix the screw. Fix the screw here to make sure the line end with the jack. Okay. We finish here.